What drives a person? What motivates them to be better, to be stronger, faster, to be more than today than they were yesterday? I get asked this question a lot. In fact, you might be surprised to know I ask myself this question more times than I can count. Why do I do what I do? Why do I push myself? Why do I wake up and continue to fight for more? Is it money? Success? Fame or fortune? Maybe it's bragging rights. Some people just want to be noticed. Some people want their family, their friends, their peers to be proud of them. Most people want big houses, exotic vacations, and fancy cars. And while those are all great goals, great things to achieve, if you ask me why I push myself, why do I do it? I'd only have one good answer for you. Failure. The fear of losing. The fear of never being enough. The fear of disappointing those around me, those that look up to me, and those that I look up to. Failure is not an option, not a choice, and not going to happen. Being rich, famous, successful, or a role model, those are all rewards. Failing, well, that's a punishment. A punishment I'm not willing to accept, not willing to endure, and one you shouldn't be willing to accept either. If you're not at the top of the mountain, it's okay. It doesn't mean you failed. It just means you have more to accomplish and higher to climb. If you're that person still looking up at the peak, way down at base camp, I suggest you get to climbing and get a new vantage point. The view from up top is much better. Believe me, guys, it is. Get up, push yourself, change things, make successes happen. They don't come to you, and refuse to fail. You can't hide failure. Remember that. The only way to prevent others from seeing you fail is to succeed. Failure is obvious, and everyone sees it. Today is the day you start winning, stop losing, and make the changes you need. A small victory today, a big win tomorrow, a week's worth of accomplishments can lead to a lifetime of achievement. So the next time you want to know what drives me, what pushes me, what keeps me climbing, what keeps me going, it's simple. Failure.